スティーブです。今星ランチにいます。今日は、土曜日の夕方です。今日は車のイベントです。で、今まで、星ランチに来たことない車がものすごく多いですね。今日は、もう天気がやっと暖かくなってきたし、友達のメリッサさんっていう女性の方なんだけど、こちらの方です。ちょっと待ってください。メリッサさんはそちらの彼女なんですよね。はい、今スカートじゃないんだよね。メリッサさんはこの方ですよね。彼女の誕生日なんで、友達が今集まってきているんで、日本の焼肉を食べたいということで、星ランチに来てくれました。これからもっと車が増えるんで、日本車はもちろん、ドイツ車もそうなんだけど、なかなか見ないポルシェまでもう来ましたね。すごい。Happy birthday, Melissa!Happy birthday! 彼女の誕生日は先日だったね。What's up, bro? How are you? Good looking ride. Your lights are on, by the way. すごいかっこいい。944, that's a 944? It's really nice. I love it. With what? An LS. That's even better. Now it's a real fun Porsche. Is that third brake light still on, dude? Or is that just the light reflecting? Got it. かっこいいよ。これね、今聞いたところ、この車にこれポルシェの944なんだけどエンジンが LS エンジンなんでアメ車のエンジンです。かっけえ。すごい Z じゃないですか。ホイールがこういうボルクレーシングのホイールにこのウィングがでっかー。これは相当でかいウィングなんだよね。車幅によりちょうど合わせてるんじゃないですか。フェンダーにちょうどこのラインでいいね。そして新しい Z もさっきこの1台2台3台こんなにあるんだ。 Z が一番多いかもしれないよね。今日はかっこいい。みんなドリシャ用にこのままで走ってきたんだよね。バリバリドリシャ仕様。この BM もそうなんだけど前を見てください。ドリシャじゃなければこういう風にタイヤが回らないんだよね。こういう風に曲がらないんだよね。これだとライドモーキビでもうドリシャ。この車が完璧です。このシルビア、これワンオーナーだということで初めて見た車です。すんごい綺麗。程度がもうピカピカで日産のGTR 用のホイールなのかな。色もいいし左ハンドルだしすんごい程度がいいです。綺麗。 What year is your car? 95. And you're the original owner of this car?
Original owner.
Dude, this is one of the nicest, the cleanest, well kept, just good looking, unmolested cars that I would say. I know that term is not, but this is truly, it looks very unmolested in a sense.
Yes, and that was the whole goal. Before that was a term.
Yes.
That was what I wanted to do.
Thank you. That's where that came from, the OEM Plus. So what's the plus side of this car? The wheels obviously are one plus, right?
Yeah, R33 GTR,
Yeah.
Front and rear brakes.
Yeah.
The wheels, these 17x9s were for an R32 GTR.
Yeah.
I have R34 V-spec seats.
Can I see those?
Absolutely.
I think中もいいな。R34 GTR のシートがもう積んであります。
And the V-spec seats were black.
V-spec.
While the normal GTR seats were kind of bluish.
Yeah. So that's a V-spec seat, huh?
Yep, V-spec
wow.
seat, S15 Spec R steering wheel.
Okay.
I have an S13 Hica steering rack.
And it's automatic.
It's automatic.
It's an automatic car. Oh my God. Now I wouldn't have guessed that. You would have said from the outside looks of it that this is going to be a manual transmission car, but an automatic one.
I bought an automatic.
Very cool, man. The gauges are nice too.
Yes, LED converted
Very
gauges.
cool. すごい程度がいい。
I have a S15 Spec R Hica.
Yeah.
No, excuse me, S13 Hica steering rack. I have an S15 Torsen diff.
Okay.
It's a helical diff.
I love it, man. Everything is just so clean about this car. Really, really nice.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming out tonight.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. LED はすごいよ。前も後ろもすごい綺麗なんだよね。いいな。プロジェクタータイプ。かっけえ。That is nice.
LED fogs. So the bi-xenon projector, I told him, I said, I don't want an HID conversion. I want real, xenon bulbs
Yeah.
and projector. So it's a factory Nissan.
I love it,
Piece,
man.
you
What a
know.
good your lighting game is good. You got it. You got it going. オーナーをね自慢しているんだよね。この方も昔シルビア乗ってたんだよとかって自慢しに来て、今やっぱり車でつなぐことがねことがよくあります。あっちゃんの86ね知らない方もいるかもしれないんだけど、藤原豆腐店のまあ一応そういうインスピレーションでスティーブ的視点この点にわざとしました。自家用はもちろんなんだけど、あっちゃんが今日これ乗ってきましたが、俺が今日箱塚できました。これからもっと増えると思いますので、ライブの音楽も今日あります。さらに車が来ました。次はもうでかい車高上げのジープですね。メリッサさんの誕生日なのにずっと働きっぱなしなんで、これごついな。うわ、そうすんごい大きい。ザ・アメリカンって感じ。キングのサスがついてる。Looking good, man. You got a spot?
No, we're working on that right now.
All right. If Melissa says goes, so she's calling the shots tonight, not me. Looking good. WRX も来ました。いい色ですよね。これはかっけー。このブルーに白いホイールは素敵。黄色のエンブレムバッジにこれ女性が乗ってるんじゃないでしょうか。ちょっと覗きました。やっぱり女性乗りの Looking good. I love that color. That is beautiful. すんごいいい素敵に。Not, I like it. It's being driven. It's driven. さらに車が来ました。これ俺の知り合いなんだよね。トミーという人なんで、この車でもうドリフトしてる。What's up, my man? How are you? Good, good. この車がもう揺れてる。ウィングが揺れてる。かわいい。ロードスターですね。バリバリでもうバンパーも取れそう。すんげえ。このままのドリシャですよね。これ毎日乗ってると思う。You drive this car daily? Is this a daily for you?
It could be, but I don't do it.
You don't, huh? That's a rough ride, huh?
Yeah, I got a truck.
How'd you like these streets over here?
Well, we got little waves that go. One wants to go one way and the other.
Oh, dude, I love your headliner, bro. That is awesome.
Same with the hardtop.
I didn't know that. I never looked in here like that. That is very cool. Nice, thanks for coming, Tommy.
Yes, sir.
ロードスターといえばワイドボディのロードスターもいますね。ずいぶんワイドで、あれなんかビデオゲームの何かだよねの映像というかのイメージなんだよね。ワイドでかっこいいレーシングシートもあってかっこいいね。ウィングもずいぶんなウィングです。今日あっちゃんもいるし、犬も来てるし、あっちゃんはドリシャの友達ができたし、そして今日はアレクサンドルというこのミュージシャンも来てます。Say hi, Alex! ギターを通じてハローっていうことで、あっちゃんはドリシャの友達
友達できた。
Can I take a peek at your food, man?
Oh, dude, this is great.
What do you think? Oh, you got the double smash burger. You know what I did? A teriyaki. I called it a nothing burger before. But you got the teriyaki. I got to get a reaction on that. How it is. That's Wagyu teriyaki smash burger.
You taste every bit of that teriyaki.
Oh, yes. You like that? Awesome, dude.
Great.
Thank you. And you got the Southwest mac and cheese. You got our fries. There you go. Enjoy your set. Cars, good food. Awesome. And Japanese whiskey.
Yes.
Perfect combination. これメリッサちゃんで彼女の誕生日です。Melissa, I want to say happy birthday to you. Thank you for having your birthday. I got you with your mouth full, huh? Japanese karaage, do you like it? Didn't you just come back from Japan? You did. Did you enjoy it there? Was that your first trip? And what was great about Japan? What did you like?
Everybody was so nice, and then everything, like, to see like a heavily modified car, like a typical 90s shitbox.
Yeah.
Was not a shitbox.
They weren't ship here. They're ship boxes, and there they weren't ship boxes.
They were just really
That's
well
so
done.
funny. I'm glad you enjoyed. I watched some of your videos when you were there, and everybody. 彼女のインスタグラムをフォローしてあげてね。彼女の誕生日だし、板金屋なんで、このテキサスですごいいい子なんで。I told her.
Oh, and
But yes.
we ran into Project Z out of Japan.
Oh,
The
okay.
zip line out.
Oh, that's
We just
awesome.
stumbled into them on the side of the road.
That must have been
And I
so
got
cool.
them leaving their car. They probably thought I was crazy because I rented an FRS.
Yeah. But you had fun, right? Yeah. You had fun. Well, I wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Big thumbs up, and thank you for coming out. And enjoy some food. We got some great Japanese Wagyu smash burgers and Japanese yakiniku, the barbecue. So we got to put together a night. And we may even have a birthday cake for the birthday girl. Thank you.